Okay, now the park assist feature is very, very simple to use. All we're going to do, we're going to start off by pressing the button here, so this park button. That gives us the ability to look for a spot for parallel parking, perpendicular parking. We can do a parallel park out, or we can turn the system off. So we're going to try a perpendicular park right now. So we're going to look for a spot. It's going to default looking for a spot on the right-hand side, or if you want to, you can hit that left-hand side, so our turning signal is if you're going to turn left, and it'll search on our left side instead. So very straightforward there. So we're just going to follow the instructions on screen here. So it's looking for a spot. There we go, and it's found a spot, so you're just going to follow the instructions. Now you do still have to work the gas and the brake, so we're going to go reverse here, and you're going to hit a little bit of gas there. Look at that, nice and quick, nice and easy. I like that. There we go.